Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting precise recovery essentials: the Blockman Go username, the linked email or phone, and any purchase receipts. Explain why. Support verifies ownership with matching details. Once done, note device ID, first login date, and prior usernames to speed verification. Make sure to open the original email account or phone because code delivery or verification links will go there. This first step reduces back and forth and gets your case into the correct support queue quickly. You now create and send a complete support ticket through the in-app help or official portal because partial requests slow recovery. Describe how. Attach screenshots of purchases, receipts, device ID, and a concise timeline of last access. Be explicit about the issue and include the exact username in the subject line to route correctly. Once submitted, monitor the email for a reply and be ready to respond to follow-up verification questions to keep momentum and prevent automatic closure. You finish by completing any verification steps the support agent requests because timely responses validate ownership faster. If your request is denied, ask for escalation and resubmit missing documents while referencing the ticket ID to preserve context. Make sure to clear app cache and attempt an in-app password reset if you regain email or phone access. A key troubleshooting tip: if codes aren't arriving, check spam, carrier blocks, and try a different network or device before assuming a permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.